In this video we will learn data security risks. Data security risks refer to potential threats and vulnerabilities that can compromise the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of sensitive information. These risks can have various origins, ranging from technical vulnerabilities to human factors. Here are some common data security risks. Unauthorized access. Description: unauthorized individuals gaining access to sensitive data. Risk mitigation: implement strong authentication methods, access controls, and encryption. Malware and ransomware. Description: malicious software, malware, that can infect systems, steal data, or encrypt files for ransom. Risk mitigation: use antivirus software, regularly update systems, and educate users on safe internet practices. Phishing attacks. Description: deceptive attempts to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or financial details. Risk mitigation: conduct cybersecurity awareness training, implement email filtering, and use multi-factor authentication. Insider threats. Description: risks arising from individuals within an organization, intentionally or unintentionally, causing harm to data security. Risk mitigation: implement strict access controls, monitor user activities, and conduct employee training on security policies. Data breaches. Description: unauthorized disclosure or access to sensitive data, often resulting in the exposure of personal or confidential information. Risk mitigation: implement encryption, conduct regular security audits, and have an incident response plan in place. Weak passwords. Description: the use of easily guessable or compromised passwords, making it easier for unauthorized individuals to access accounts. Risk mitigation: enforce strong password policies, implement multi-factor authentication, and educate users on password best practices. Unsecured applications. Description: vulnerabilities in software applications that can be exploited to gain unauthorized access or disrupt services. Risk mitigation: regularly update and patch software, perform security testing, and use secure coding practices. Inadequate encryption. Description: failing to encrypt sensitive data during transmission or storage, exposing it to potential interception or theft. Risk mitigation: implement end-to-end encryption, use secure communication protocols, and encrypt stored data. Cloud security issues. Description: risks associated with storing data in cloud environments, including misconfigured settings, insecure APIs, or unauthorized access. Risk mitigation: use reputable cloud service providers, configure security settings appropriately, and employ encryption for data in transit and at rest. Lack of regular backups. Description: not having up-to-date backups of critical data, leading to data loss in case of system failures, ransomware attacks, or other incidents. Risk mitigation: implement regular backup processes and test the restoration process periodically. Physical security breaches. Description: unauthorized access to physical infrastructure, such as data centers, where servers and storage devices are housed. Risk mitigation: implement access controls, surveillance, and physical security measures to restrict and monitor entry. Compliance violations. Description: failure to comply with data protection and privacy regulations, leading to legal and financial consequences. Risk mitigation: stay informed about relevant regulations, implement compliance policies, and conduct regular audits. To address data security risks effectively, organizations should adopt a comprehensive approach that includes technical safeguards, employee training, regular risk assessments, and adherence to industry best practices and regulations. Regular monitoring, incident response planning, and continuous improvement of security measures are also essential components of a robust data security strategy.